We love you, Kinos.
I don't fucking know, but everybody lame. I just driving foreign cars. I don't do my thing. I just put out brand new
Don't stop. Stop yourself. Don't do that. How you doing, twin? How you doing?
I'm not involved in bullshit.
What you mean not involved in no bullshit?
Bitch, I wasn't talking to you the first.
Huh?
You talking about
Why you
looking at
sound
me
like that? Why you sound like that? You from London? That's not how you really sound. Use your accent, bro. Lying ass nigga, fuck. I know the real you, bro. You don't sound like that. You from Bare London. Ass, swear to God. Look at that little ugly nigga. Get off the fucking monkey, nigga.
Bro, nigga, grow a mustache, bitch. You got a big ass
I got a
nose.
mustache. Fuck you talking about, nigga?
Why you gotta bring your dad?
You got a mustache, nigga. You got a little baby mustache. Stop playing with me. You got
Because he's
cute
a
hair.
little nigga.
He's a
You got a
little
big
nigga.
nose.
He's a little nigga. What you doing?
You
He's
got
a
a big
little
nose.
nigga. You said what?
You got a big ass nose, nigga.
You got a big ass nose, nigga. You got mucus in your nose, nigga. Spit it out. Stop talking to me, nigga. When you talk to me. Yeah.
This nigga literally nigga. Yeah, big ass
Yeah,
nose.
nigga. Shut up, nigga. Why you looking at my lips, you gay boy? Stop
This
looking at me.
nigga spent all his money on a Nike fucking.
Little bitch! What? What you gonna do, little bird? I will fuck your little asshole up, little boy. Man, shut your bitch ass nigga. You gay! You
Stop, bored.
You dead my man's type. You dead my man's type.
That's lit. I don't know what you want me to say to that.
I want you to be like, okay, what does he look like? Where is he at? Let me talk to him. I want to talk to him. That's what I want you to do. So let's redo that. Oh, what's up? Oh, you dead my man's type.
Where's he at?
He right
Talk to
here. He right here. Shut up. You don't look too excited. Nah. All right, let's rerun that back one more time, okay?
Okay.
Oh, what's up? Nah, you dead look like my man's type though.
Who's your man? Because I only want.
Who's your man? That's not part of the script.
Wait, hold on.
Take three. Yo.
Back to Iguodala, up for the layup.
Yo, what's wrong, bro? What's your name?
That's the rain.
Wait. You know what you look like?
Who?
That one girl. What's that one girl name? She was a flopper back in the days. Like she was mad famous. That white girl.
I don't know who
You know what I'm talking about. He had blonde hair with the red lipstick. Who? Marilyn Monroe.
She did not flop. She just died. What are you talking about?
Oh, what's up with you? Hi. Oh, he said.
Wait. Where you guys at? Where you guys at?
Knoxville.
What's who you got that?
Knoxville.
University of
Tennessee. University of Tennessee.
Oh hell no! Get on my camera. Safety. My son.
Son?
No, not the son. My son.
Yeah.
Yo, son.
Kyle?
Yo. Wait. Look. Yo. Hey.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah, son. Okay. I beat him. I beat my son.
Beat?
Yes, me beat. Me one. Me beat.
Hit?
Yeah, me hit. Wow.
Hit child?
Yes, me.
You Kinos?
Yes.
Kinos?
Me.
Kinos?
Yes.
Kinos hit child?
Yes. Wait, no. It's GTA. You touch me? No,
Okay.
GTA.
You okay?
In GTA, I didn't hit a child. I hit a child in GTA.
You're taking me the fuck out, bro. Please.
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? I thought she was stupid the whole time. I thought she was stupid. I was in the house for no. Are you okay, bro? You not stupid. Both trying to impress the fuck you, nigga. I thought you was stupid, bro. What the fuck?
Okay, thanks for that, bro.
So you understand what I was saying this whole time?
Yeah, you sound.
You gotta be badass. Fuck you. I'm funny, right? Am I funny? Am I funny?
No.
Word?
Sorry.
I'm not funny? You know what else is funny? This dick.
She look like the fish from.
She wants
girl. Ugly ass boy. Yo, flat top. Flat top. Yo, hey, yo.
Like that.
Wait. I want all you guys in unison to go like this. Yeah, like hold on. Let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. Good girl and boys, yes. Both of you guys, yes. Look, I see you, young man.
I'm gonna touch you.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
He's just gonna touch me. Hey, look like this.
Bro, they talking shit.
Nah, niggas didn't say nothing to you. You smoking?
Y'all want to fade about it though. You don't want to run fade.
Yo, nigga, I'm out with hold on.
3, 2, 1, fight.
Let me sit down too. Nigga. Run. I got you. Run. What's up? I bet. Chill. Yo, y'all don't like when you send me flying like that though. Bro, chill, bro. My man's flying, bro. Crazy. Yo, it's my man now. Yo, I think he really think you cute. Like on some real shit. How old you though? He's 20.
I'm 20.
Oh, yo, my son is 21, bro. What's the word? Yo, I'm talking too much. Go ahead, man. Go ahead, money. ISO. I call him ISO.
Yo, you want offense or defense?
I didn't ask him. Why is she looking at you like that? Oh,
What?
shit.
You want offense or defense?
Am I offense or defense?
You want offense or defense? Which one you want?
What's the position of what's the position of the guy that tackles the quarterback?
The position of the guy that tackles the quarterback?
That's a different sport. Wait, no, it's not.
It's
There's
not.
offense and defense.
The person that tackles the quarterback is offense.
Okay, offense.
Offense? Alright. Oh. Wait, what that nigga Bobby doing?
Yo, be yourself. Yo. Hold on. Wait. She's weird, bro. What the fuck? Nah, again.
Listen, while my friends are thinking and shit.
What that nigga Bobby doing? I'm scared, bro. Come in. That's the ball. Shoot it. I got you, son. Wait, let me get your IG.
My IG?
Yes.
Okay, it's Ori.
Yeah.
Okay, we got you.
Alright, 3.
We love you, Kinos.
Yeah,
So go for that bitch, cause she not important. Me and I got a bad bitch, fuck her till the morning. And I keep fucking up cheese, yeah, I'm fucking bored. Ball be the gang, yeah, you know you always scoring. My bitch, I see what to see till that bitch aborted.